Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Mish and thank you for joining me today as I do my first unboxing video. If you like unboxing videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I will try to upload more videos like this. And for my first unboxing item video, what I have here is a Valentino. This is a Rockstud wallet on chain, blue leather with silver tone hardware. As a wallet on chain, this can be converted into a shoulder bag using the chain strap. The chain strap is 24 inches long, and as you can see, the Rockstud trim is also silver and is all over the wallet. This wallet measures 8 inches wide, 5.5 inches high, and 1.5 inches in diameter. The material is made of pebbled calf leather. And as you can see, the Valentino logo is printed at the back of the wallet, and the Rockstud trim is also all the way to the back of the wallet. This wallet has an envelope style flap with a magnetic snap closure. Inside it has 3 compartments and the Valentino logo is also printed there. This wallet has a total of 16 card slots and 1 compartment is zipped for safety, and as you can see, it has this retail tag from Saks Fifth Avenue where I bought it. I think this is a very pretty Rockstud wallet on chain, and the color and the hardware matches perfectly, plus this is made in Italy. And now guys, I'm a little bit daring here and try to show you ways on how I use this bag. Style number 1 is using it as a full-length shoulder chain bag. For style number 2, I am using the full length of the chain as a crossbody bag. Since I am a very petite lady, so having it this way looks much better than the first one. I think the first style won't be a problem if you are taller than me, obviously. For style number 3, I'd like to cross the chain strap once and make it a little bit shorter. This way it is perfect for petite gals like me. As you can see, it is so much better right at my waist level. And for the 4th style, I'd like to double the loop of the chain strap and put that loop inside the flap of the bag. This shorter length is more suitable if you'd like to carry it on your arm, and still comfortable if you want to put it on your shoulder. That really startled me, but we have to thank our delivery guys for delivering our packages even though it's too cold out here in New England, and considering that we have the pandemic still going on. Thank you. And don't forget, we have to wash our hands and disinfect our packages. Okay, I'm back, and so far I have shown 4 styles to wear this wallet on chain, and it looks like a very versatile bag. For the last style, number 5, we can always use this as a clutch bag. So all you have to do is just put all the chain inside one of the compartments in the wallet and use it as a clutch bag like this. And if you want to have a little bit of edginess to your Rockstud wallet and chain, you could hang a little bit of the chain strap outside like this, and you would really be rocking this baby. So I think this wallet and chain is really a good buy, and I hope you really enjoy watching my video. Thank you for watching, and hope you liked, share, subscribe, and don't forget the notification. See you next time.